For over a decade, 4Med Plus has been an industry leader in training development and delivery in important areas of health information and technology, medical industry compliance, healthcare regulations and requirements, government incentives and reporting, financial management in healthcare, data protection and cybersecurity, healthcare industry leadership, wellness and productivity for medical professionals. 4Med Plus offers online self-paced training authored by active industry subject matter experts, web-based practice tools to engage learners in hands-on pragmatic skill building, healthcare titles nationally approved for credit by ANCC for nursing professionals and ACCME for physicians and PAs, with optional credit available through CHIME for health information managers, ACPE for pharmacy professionals, AGD for dental professionals, AANP for nurse practitioners, and APA for psychiatric professionals. The 4Med Plus modular training design helps learners build and retain knowledge using a unique multimodal method. Toggle between reading, animated video, or downloadable audiobook, options for content review, and optimize retention with frequent, short assessments using content review and remediation for fast skill building. Our learners include healthcare professionals to meet compliance requirements, add skills, expand hiring opportunities, and gain CE or CME for licensure renewal. Students of medical, health IT, allied health, and other healthcare-related programs to fulfill prerequisites. Enhance curriculum, build workforce or CE programs, and engage alumni groups. Corporations and healthcare employers to build continuing education programs, address onboarding needs, and upskill staff. 4Med Plus delivers quality accredited online education for healthcare professionals, condensing and clarifying important industry topics using easy-to-understand modules, and effective modular training for powerful professional development.